are going to love the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio, remote keyless entry, overhead console, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.